Today we're going to learn the alphabet and letter sounds, so let's hop to it and sketch. Big A, little a. A is for apple. Apple. Big B, little b. B is for bear. Bear. Big C, little c. C is for cactus. Cactus. Big D, little d. D is for Dalmatian. Dalmatian. Big E, little e. E is for elephant. Elephant. Big F, little f. F is for fireworks. Fireworks. Big G, little g. G is for guitar. Guitar. Big H, little h. H is for hazelnut. Hazelnut. Big I, little I. I is for igloo. Igloo. Big J, little j. J is for jacket. Jacket. Big K, little k. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. Big L, little l. L is for lion. Lion. Big M, little m. M is for magnet. Magnet. Big N, little n. N is for nurse. Nurse. Big O, little o. O is for octagon. Octagon. Big P, little p. P is for pasta. Pasta. Big Q, little q. Q is for quilt. Quilt. Big R, little r. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Big S, little s. S is for seashell. Seashell. Big T, little t. T is for tornado. Tornado. Big U, little u. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Big V, little v. V is for violin. Violin. Big W, little w. W is for whistle. Whistle. Big X, little x. X is for x-ray. X-ray. Big Y, little y. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Big Z, little z. Z is for zigzag. Zigzag. Now you know your ABCs. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.